How to get free stuff off Shein. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, make sure that you have installed Shein application in your device. And now it is time to open your web application. So go ahead and do that. At the very top search bar, type in Shein Coupons 2025. Once done, you will see various links offering the 20%, 30% off of Shein. You can go ahead and select any one. In my case, I'm using this website. Here you will see various percentage off. I'm selecting 30% off here. And simply copy the code. Once you have copied the code, let's go ahead and open our app. Get logged into your Shein account. Select any product that you would like to buy. In my case, I already have the product that I would like to buy. So let's go ahead and tap on cart. Select this item, then checkout. Likewise, under payment method, tap on apply coupon. Paste the coupon here, tap apply, and lastly, tap continue. And just like so guys, this is how you can get free stuff off Shein. That is all for today. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.